Welcome to Biochem Crew with Seher. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is a very important property and a very important topic, as many physical and chemical properties of atom depends on hydrogen bonding. So let's discuss about definition of hydrogen bonding. The bond formed between partially positive charge hydrogen atom and the most electronegative atom of other molecule. The bond that is formed between two atoms, one hydrogen atom carrying partially positive charge and the other molecule that is nearby most partially positive charge hydrogen atom, should carry most electronegative atom, like fluorine, like oxygen, like nitrogen. For example, when one molecule of hydrofluoric acid come near to another molecule of hydrofluoric acid, the bond that is formed between fluorine, that is most electronegative atom of periodic table, and hydrogen atom that is carrying partially positive charge, the bond formed between these two is hydrogen bond, and hydrogen bond is represented by dotted line. As other ionic bond, covalent bond, dative bond, all these are represented by a complete line or a arrow, single arrow, but hydrogen bond is represented by dotted line. Students, there are two type of forces, that are intramolecular forces and intermolecular forces. Intramolecular forces mean the forces that are present between the molecule, for example in HCl and HF. Intramolecular forces means the forces that are present within the molecule, but hydrogen bonding is a intramolecular force that is present between two molecule, two compounds. Next question arises, when hydrogen get partial positive charge, as it is also present in hydride ion, it carry negative charge, it is also present as a H2 gas. So when it get partial positive charge, it get partial positive charge when it is attached to some most electronegative atom like fluorine, like oxygen, like nitrogen. Electronegativity means to attract the shared pair of electron toward itself, means the power of atom to attract the electrons that are used in bond formation toward itself is known as electronegativity, and the most electronegative atom is fluorine, having electronegativity 4, then oxygen, and then nitrogen. When fluorine attract the shared pair of electron toward itself, it get partial negative charge. Partial negative charge is present, not complete negative charge, as electron pair are just going close to fluorine atom, not completely added to fluorine atom. So fluorine get partial negative and hydrogen get partial positive charge. So when in hydrofluoric acid, one molecule of partial positive charge hydrogen atom come nearer to the partial negative charge of fluorine atom of other hydrofluoric molecule, hydrogen bond develop between them. Due to hydrogen bonding, hydrofluoric acid is a weak acid, as it does not ionize very easily. Strong acids are those that ionize very easily, but hydrogen bonding make hydrofluoric acid a weak acid. Other physical properties that are affected by hydrogen bonding will be discussed in the next lecture, inshallah. Dear audience, subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video and share this video.